Online school is, well, not very intuitive. We're becoming less and less engaged with long, boring lectures and worse material.
And for many of us, what this means is we're finding ourselves trying to self-teach and self-learn. But in many cases, when looking for content, we're either struck by a paywall or struggle to find material in general. We watch videos but don't practice, or we might practice but can't really grasp the concepts. This isn't really an effective way of learning, and although this may work right now, when we return back to school, we'll face a harsh reckoning to reality. So there's gotta be a better way, right?
There sure is. The solution is Courseify. Courseify generates semantic course material for every single subject matter out there, and the kicker is, it's free. How it works is very simple. You go to the site and put the subject matter in. This can be computer science related, mathematics, science, or anything else. And from there, it gives you the most relevant and highest rated video tutorial on the subject matter, in addition to relevant questions for you to review. This encourages you not only to understand the material, but also compounds on the information too, since we believe that the best way to learn is to do. And speaking of doing, let's do a quick demo. Okay, so here we are on the main webpage, where the student can search for the subject that they wish to learn about. It's built using Node and Express.js for the server side, and the front end is built using a light wrapper in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Anyways, let's say I want to learn about data structures. I enter that into the search bar, and the web scraping API does the rest of the work. And there you go. From millions of results, the web scraping algorithm gets video tutorials, other websites, and resources that it thinks will be the most relevant for me, in addition to in-depth questions for me to practice on once I'm done. For our second example, let's try algorithms. So we enter that into the search bar, and there you go. We have our questions, relevant resources, and our tutorial video all in one easy to use and intuitive website. Now, I can watch the video tutorial, absorb a bit of information, and then practice to compound my skills. It's a simple strategy, but for many of us, this last step is a bit of a stretch in regular online classes, which now becomes much easier due to Courseify. Courseify makes online learning easier for all of us by generating smart and relevant courses with a simple keyword, all for free. Now you can absorb, compound, and understand all that information. Don't just watch tutorials, understand them with Courseify.